In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to Hostgator hosting, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're a beginner in website management or someone looking to refresh your knowledge, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you seamlessly link your domain to Hostgator, allowing you to maximize the potential of your website. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Hostgator website. It's as simple as opening your browser and typing in the URL, or clicking on the link if you have it bookmarked. Once you're on the Hostgator homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Hostgator is known for its user-friendly design, making navigation a breeze even for newcomers. Next, locate the Sign In button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. By clicking on this, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you're experiencing issues logging in, double check your email and password for accuracy, or consider the Forgot Password option to reset it. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Hostgator dashboard. Now from the dashboard, proceed to the Hostgator home. You can usually find this under the main navigation menu. Getting to this section allows you to manage various features of your hosting service, so it's quite central to a lot of actions you may want to take. Once you're on the Hostgator homepage, look for the website option. Clicking on this will guide you to additional website settings related to your hosting account. This is where you'll carry out most of the configurations for your domain. At this point, you'll want to locate the settings option. It's usually straightforward, but if you have a lot of websites or configurations, ensure you're on the right one to avoid any mistakes. The settings area is crucial as it contains various tools and options for fine-tuning your website's operation. With settings open, the next step is to click on Connect Domain. This is a pivotal moment in integrating your domain with Hostgator hosting. By selecting this, you'll begin the process of linking your domain, which involves confirming ownership and possibly configuring DNS settings depending on your current domain registrar. Finally, you will enter your domain name into the space provided. Here, you'll want to ensure that the domain you type is correctly spelled and matches the domain you've registered. A quick tip, domains must be entered without www or http, just the core domain name and its extension, for example, example.com. Double check before proceeding, and there you have it. By following these steps, your domain should now be connected to Hostgator hosting, ready to make the site live. If any issues arise during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostgator's support team or refer to their online help guides for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy website hosting.